Have you ever found yourself daydreaming about owning your own home? Perhaps the thought of finally having a place to call your own, where you can paint the walls any color you like and not worry about a landlord's approval, has crossed your mind. Today, on CashOps, we're diving into some essential tips for first-time homebuyers. If you're on the brink of making this huge life decision, stay tuned, because we've got some invaluable advice coming your way. So you're thinking about buying a home, and you've heard that putting 20% down is a great start. That's absolutely correct. A 20% down payment not only shows lenders that you're serious, but also helps you avoid private mortgage insurance, PMI, which can save you a considerable amount of money in the long run. But what else should you keep in mind? First and foremost, make sure your monthly payment, including taxes and insurance, does not exceed 25% of your take-home pay. This will help keep your budget in check and ensure you don't overextend yourself financially. Now, let's talk about loans. A 15-year fixed-rate mortgage is often recommended because it can save you thousands of dollars in interest over the life of the loan. Although the monthly payments will be higher compared to a 30-year mortgage, you'll pay off your home sooner and build equity faster. One crucial step in the home buying process is obtaining title insurance. Always, and I mean always, get title insurance. This protects you from potential legal issues related to the property's ownership. If you're buying a property that's not a typical subdivision lot such as land in a rural area, it's also a good idea to get a survey. This ensures you know exactly what you're buying. Imagine thinking you bought 3 acres only to find out it's less than 2. A survey can prevent such surprises. Speaking of inspections, never skip a home inspection. Whether it's your first home or your 10th, a thorough inspection by a qualified professional is essential. Even if you fancy yourself a bit of a handyman, it's worth the cost to have an expert go through the property with a fine-tooth comb. The peace of mind you'll get knowing that the roof isn't about to collapse or that the plumbing isn't about to spring a leak is invaluable. Here's another tip. Be cautious about buying a house that looks unattractive from the street, no matter how good the price seems. Curb appeal is a big deal. If a house looks unappealing from the outside, it's likely to be harder to sell later on. The same goes for awkward floor plans. For example, if you have to walk through one bedroom to get to another, that's a big red flag. These kinds of homes might be cheap initially, but they'll be equally hard to sell when you're ready to move on. If you're considering a property on a corner lot, be aware that while they often have good curb appeal, they might lack backyard space. This can be a drawback for future buyers, so think ahead about resale value. Let's switch gears and talk about the aesthetics inside the home. It's tempting to get carried away with renovations, especially on your first home. But here's the thing, it's better to start with a house that needs minimal work. Look for homes that need cosmetic updates like new paint or carpet, rather than major structural changes. Boring is good when it comes to your first home purchase. Less risk means less stress and fewer unexpected expenses. Now, let's take a moment here. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow and ensures you won't miss any of our future videos. Back to our tips. Location is everything in real estate. A great house in a bad location is never a good deal. Pay attention to the neighborhood. Is it safe? Is it convenient to work, schools, and shopping? Do some research and visit the area at different times of the day to get a feel for what it's like to live there. Another important consideration is the future development of the area. Check with the local planning department to see if there are any big projects in the works that could affect property values. Sometimes new developments can enhance the area, but other times they can lead to increased traffic or noise. When it comes to making an offer, don't be afraid to negotiate. The asking price is often just a starting point. Work with your real estate agent to determine a fair offer based on comparable sales in the area. Remember, the goal is to get the best value for your money. Once your offer is accepted, it's time for the closing process. This can be a bit overwhelming, especially for first-time buyers. There will be a lot of paperwork to review and sign, so take your time and ask questions if you don't understand something. It's important to know exactly what you're signing. Finally, once you have the keys to your new home, don't rush into making changes. Live in the house for a while to get a feel for what really needs to be done. This can help you avoid costly mistakes and ensure that any renovations you undertake truly add value to your home. Buying a home is a huge milestone, and with these tips, you're well on your way to making a smart and informed decision. Remember, patience and due diligence are your best friends in this process. Happy house hunting! If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to CashOps for more valuable insights and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.